Good morning, CDT day 47. Last night was so comfortable. Had the fire going all night, and I kept the cabin nice and warm, almost uncomfortably warm, but it was nice to feel pretty cozy. I was probably up till midnight, we were watching movies and stuff and watching my episode of Black Mirror, just hanging out and enjoying the night. It's about 5:30 going on 6 a.m. right now. We wanted to get started early so that we can walk on top of the snow, because yesterday it was starting to get real slushy and real wet, and that was a big bummer. We post-holed a lot and it took a ton of energy. So now we have about 19 miles into the highway, which is where we'll hitch into Pagosa Springs. So we'd like to get there as early as possible just to enjoy the town as well. For now, I got this beautiful view out here of the mountains. I'll show you. Sun is about to make its rounds, but this cabin is just perched on this hillside by this giant valley, and it's so pretty. It looks a lot nicer when it's not snowing uncontrollably. Yeah, I like it here. Are there any informed people that know what makes this track? Because it looks insane. Definitely an animal or a bird, some kind of form of life. It doesn't look human-made, but it's just so weird. It looks like DNA strands. I don't even know what would make that. I can't really imagine what kind of animal would draw that line in the snow. Almost like a snake or something. Well, yeah, if you guys know what it is, let me know, because I'm really interested. Oh, we have just received a blessing on this day. Just came up through all the snow out to this beautifully dry, open, solid, packed forest road. So now we get to walk, look at all these beautiful mountains, and we don't have to worry about schlepping through snow and the occasional post hole. Oh yeah, baby. We also just recently learned that there's a really good echo. I'm an idiot! You're an idiot! Anybody watch The Grinch? We are descending pretty rapidly down the mountains. So now we're getting into the grass, and we're getting down into the river valley as well. So lots of green and not a lot of white. I'm enjoying that. It's not a racist thing against white people. I meant snow. Seriously, please. Also, we did about 10.5 miles so far, and it's like a little after 9 a.m. So we are crushing it right now. Just crushing it. Got about 8 miles to go before we hit the road. So we're hoping to get into Pagosa Springs by the afternoon. We just got a hitch, and we have an awesome hitch mate, Rusty.
Hi, Rusty.
Yeah, this is wrong. So those people loves to sit down right around the curb and no ticket.
Just wait for them to come down.
Wow. successfully made it into Pagosa Springs, and this is the first thing we decided to do. Beer flights. And then we're gonna eat. Walking the streets of Pagosa Springs, Colorado. Had some burgers and wings for lunch slash din-din, and now we are enjoying some beer and walking down and trying to find some more beer and maybe visit a dispensary or two. I don't know, it's legal, I don't know, but loving it out here. Pagosa Springs is a pretty happening town. All right, so we just popped out of our second or third restaurant beer stop for the day, so I am full of food and I'm full of beer at this moment with some wine, feeling good. And we had just hung out down by the river, and then we're gonna go hang out by some hot springs. It's gonna be getting dark soon, so I'm not gonna film much more. And then we'll be doing some camping up by in one of these little parks up near town. You're not supposed to, but we'll set up somewhere in the trees. We don't bother anybody. And that's about it. Enjoy the night. I'm gonna call this the end of CDT day whatever it is, 46 maybe, 47. And got some pictures from today. We put in 19 miles before noon. Pretty impressive, I'd say. And so it was a big day, beautiful day, and had lots of fun. And we'll pick it up tomorrow.